Hello students, welcome to PraescioEdu YouTube channel. This is scholarship exam standard 5th online class, subject intelligent test, and the topic is grids. Now in this one we are going to see the exercise 8.4 which is available in our Navneet digest. So in the exercise there is a question number 1, and before this one there are common instructions which number will occur in the place of the question mark in the following figures. So question number 1 is there. So question mark is here. If you observe, all are the prime numbers, means 31 starting from this 31. So 31 and then 37, then 41, 43, then 61, 47, 67, then 53. So means after this one we have to place the number which is available from this one, means after this 53 and before the 61, so there is a 59 is the number. So 59 means option number 3 is the correct one. Then question number 2. So the logic here behind this one somewhat be very tricky. So 6 and then smaller numbers, only the smaller numbers multiplication. So 6 is the at the center one. So 6 multiplied by 2, so this 12 comes. 6 multiplied by 8, so this 6 8s are 48, so this is comes. Then 6 multiplied by 11, so this 66 comes. So like this one the remaining is the 15. So 6 multiplied by this 15 means the 19. So this 19 is given in option number 4. Then question number 3. So the question mark is here. The logic in behind this one, this number means 71 and this 19. If you make the additions of these two numbers, we are getting this 90 as additions. Same is here, 115 plus this 25, we are getting this 140. So 57 plus this number is equals to 93. So for this one, 93 minus 57 if we are doing. So after this one, this is a 13 and this is a 8. So 13 minus 7, this is 6, and this one is the 3, means 36. So for the on a question mark, 36 should be replaced, and 36 is given in option number 1. Then question number 4. The question mark is here. The logic in between here. So this 43 means 4 and 3. So if we are doing the separate additions of this digit, means 4 plus 3, so that is a 7, and here 1 plus 2, that is a 3. So 7 and 3 comes from these two numbers, and if you make the calculate the difference in between, this one means 7 minus 3 is equals to 4, and this 4 comes here. So same here, 9 minus 8, so that is a 1, and 6 minus 7, that is also the 1. So same we have to apply here. 9 plus 8, that is a 17, and 6 plus 7, that is a 13, and the difference in between this one is a 4, and 4 comes here. So same here, 3 plus 7, that is a 10, 1 plus 2, that is a 3. So difference in between this, that is a 7, and 7 is given in option number 4. Then question number 5. So 5 and 2, so we have to make the square of this 5 and 2 square and then make the additions. So 5 square is a 25 plus 2 square is a 4. So after these additions we are getting 29, and this 29 is present here. So same 3 square and 1 square, so 3 square is a 9 plus 1 square is a 1, so that is a 10. 10 is here. So same we have to apply here. 4 square, so 4 square is a 16 plus 10 square, 10 square is a 100. So after this addition 116. So this is given in option number 3. Now question number 6. In a row, 8 multiplied by 1 is a 8, multiplied by 3 is a 24. Like this one, 12 multiplied by 2 is 24, multiplied by 1, again we are getting 24, means here the product of all the numbers in a row we are getting 24. Likewise 2 multiplied by 3, that is a 6. So to get it the 24, we have to multiply by 4. So here should be the 4, means replacing to the question mark. So 4 is given in option number 1. Then question number 7. So if you arrange all these numbers in a ascending order, means 4, then 7, then 10. So 4, then 7, 10. After this one, the 28, then 32, then 36. Then after the 36, there is a ascending order we have to maintain. So 81, then 86, and question mark also there. So if 4 and 7 and 10, if you try to find out the difference, so here the 3 is the difference, means 4 plus 3 we are getting 7, and here also the 3, so 7 plus 3 we are getting 10. So likewise 28 plus 4 we are getting 32, and plus 4 we are getting 36. So likewise 81 plus 5 we are getting 96. So same number we have to add here, means plus 5. So after this one we are getting 91. So this 91 can be replaced to the question mark, and 91 is given in option number 1. Then question number 8. So we have to make the arrangement in ascending order all these digits. So 19, after this one the 20, then 23, then 28. After the 28 there is a 35. So this 35. After this one 44, then this 55. In ascending we have to make the all the numbering, and then 68. So if you try to find out the difference in between this one, so here plus 1, then here plus 3, so 23 and 28, so here the plus 5, here 7, then here 35 and 44, so here plus 9 difference, 44 and 11, so 55, so they are the 11, means plus 11 is there. So from 55 to 68 there is a 13, means additions of the 13, means 1 3 5 7 9 11 13. So here 15 we have to add. So in a 68, if we are adding the 15, so we are getting 83. So 83 we can replace to the question mark. So 83 is given in option number 3. So question number 9. In a row 5, 4 and 18. So if you multiply 5 and 4, means making the product of this one, we are getting the 20, and from this 20 if we subtract the 2 we are getting this 18. Likewise 7 multiplied by 2, that is a 14. 14 minus 2, so 12 will comes, and which is present here. So same rule we have to apply here. So 8 multiplied by 3, that is a 24, and then minus 2, so 22. This 22 should be replaced to the question mark. So 22 is given in option number 3. Then question number 10. So 11, then 24, then 39, then 416, then 525, 636, then 749, then 864. So if we are try to make the separations of this digit, means this one and this one, so 1 square is this one, so with formation of these two digits we are getting the 11. So likewise 2 and that 2 square is the 4, so 4 and this 2 formation of the 24, this is the number. So likewise 3 and square 9, 4 and square is the 16, so 5 and 5 square is the 25, 6 and 6 square is the 36, then 7 and 7 square is the 49, 8 and 8 square is the 64. So likewise here 9 and 9 square is the 81, so 981. So this is given in option number 3. So if we are to find out all these number in a sequence, means 2 3 5 8 13 21 and 34. So here the one difference, here the additions of the 2, then here additions of the 3, then here the additions of the 5, then here the additions of the 8, so 8 is there, additions of the 8, and then here the additions of the 13. So means 2 and then previously 1, so 2 plus previously 1 we are added, then we are getting the 3, so 3 and then previously 2 is there, so that 2 if we added, then we are getting this 5, so 5 and then previously 3, so that 3 comes here, so 5 plus 3 8 is there, so this 2 also here comes. Likewise so 5 and then 8, so that will be 5 comes here, so 5 plus 8 13 comes. Likewise 8 comes here, so 13 plus this previously 8 is there, so this 8 comes, so 21 comes, so 21 plus this previously number 13, so that is a 34. So likewise 31, so here we have to add the 21, so 34 plus 21, so 34 plus 21 we are getting the 55. So 55 is available in option number 2. So question number 12. there are the numbers available on a triangle's vertices. If you make the product of the number at the vertices, means 3 multiplied by 4, that is a 12. 12 multiplied by 10, so that is a 120. And if you divided this 2, so we are getting 60, which is at the center of this figure. So same, 5 multiplied by this 6 is a 30. 30 multiplied by 5, that is the 150. 150 by 2, we are getting the 75. So question mark can be replaced to the 75. And this rule also apply here. 2 multiplied by 3 is a 6. 6 and 12, so that is a 72. And if you divided 72 by 2, we are getting 36. Means this rule is correctly here also. So 75 can be replaced to the question mark, and 75 is given in option number 1. So question number 13. So in a circle, there is a quarters equally divided by the vertical and the horizontal line. So there are the 4 numbers. So if you add 11 and the 6, so we are getting the 17, and in 17 plus this 13, we are getting the 30. So that is a additions of this 6, 11 and 13. So we are getting these numbers. So likewise, this 8, this 10 and this 15. So additions of this 3 number, we are getting the 33. So same rule we have to apply. So 16 plus this 5 plus this 21. So we are getting the 42. Means 16 plus 5, that is a 21. 21 plus 21 means 42. So 42 can be replaced to the this question mark. So this is available in option number 1. So question number 14. If you observe the smaller numbers, means here the 2, 6, 5 and 7. So this half side, or we can say the bottom side. So 6 square, so 6 square is a 36, and 36 minus 2, we are getting 34, and this 34 is present opposite to the 6. Likewise, 5 square is a 25, minus 2, we are getting 23, and this 23 is present opposite of this 5. So same, 7 square is a 49, then minus 2, we are getting 47, and this 47 is present opposite of the 7. So same we have to apply here. So 2 square is a 4, 4 minus 2 means that is a 2. So 2 will be replaced to the question mark opposite to the these 2. So 2 is available in option number 2. Now question number 15. So bottom these 2 numbers. So we have to make this square of this 4. So 4 square is a 16 plus this another digit. So that is a 3. So we are getting the 19. 19 represent in the upper part of this square. Okay. Then 7 square is a 49 plus this 5. We are getting the 54, and 54 is here. So same here. The total is here already given. So from this one we have to subtract this one. So 102 minus 2 means 100, and 100 is the square of the 10. So 10 should be replaced to the question mark. So option number 3 is the correct one. Now question number 16. The 4 digit in a row and the 2 digit and then 8. So 4 square is the 16 minus, we have to make the subtraction, 2's cube. So 2's cube is a 8. Then 16 minus 8, we are getting this 8, and this 8 is here. So same, 10 square and 3's cube. So subtractions of this one, 10 square is 100 minus 3's cube is a 27. So that is equal to the 73, and this 73 is present here. So same rule we have to apply here. So 7 square and 1's cube. So and the subtraction. So 7 square is a 49 minus this 1. So that is a 48, and this 48 is can be replaced to the question mark, and 48 is available in option number 4. Now question number 17. Which number amongst the alternative will replace the question mark in the box? So in a row, 5 and 3 digit, and after this one the 16 is the number. So this 5 number and the 3 numbers. So we will add first. So 5 plus 3, and then we have to make the multiplication. Then 5 and the 3 is difference. So 5 plus 8, 5 plus 3 is the 8. Multiply by this 5 minus 3 is a 2. So 8 to the, that is a 16, and this 16 is present here. So likewise 6 multiply 6 plus 4. So 6 plus 4, and then multiplication with the 6 minus 4 means addition and then subtractions, or we can say the difference. So 6 plus 4 is the 10 multiplied by this 6 minus 4 is the 2. So 10 multiplied by 2, that is a 20. So 20 can be replaced to the question mark, and 20 is given in option number 4. Question number 18. 1 square is a 1. So and then this 1 square again the 1. So likewise 3 square is a 9 and 9 square is a 81. So 2 square is a 4 and 4 square is a 16. So 4 can be replaced to the question mark, and this 4 is available in option number 4. Question number 19. If you observe this table, there are the prime numbers, but after the 2 means there is a 3, then 5 is there. After this one, the 7 is a prime number. After then 11, then 13, then 17, then 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, and then 41, 43, 47, then 53, 59, then 61. So this 2 is present here, then 5 is there. Okay, so means 3 is eliminated, or we can say the hidden. Then 7 is the hidden, 11 is the present, then 13 can be hide, 17 is present here, then 19 is hide, 23 is here, then 29 is hide, 31 is there, 37 is hide, then 41 is here, 43 is hide, then 47 is here, 53 is hide. So 59 should be there. So means question mark can be replaced to the 59. So 59 is given in option number 1. Question number 20. If we make the additions of these two numbers, means 37 plus 14, we are getting this 51. So here also 64 plus 39, we are getting 103. So same rule we have to apply. 21 plus this 27, we are getting this 48. So 48 is present in option number 2. Question number 21. If you add all the numbers which are present at the this square's vertices, means 4 plus 8 is a 12, 12 plus 2 is a 14, 14 plus this 5, that is a 19. So and the 19's multiplied by 2, or we can say the double, that is a 38, and this 38 is present at the middle of this square. So same we have to apply here. 9 plus this 11 is a 20, 17 plus this 13, that is a 30, 30 plus 20, that is a 50, and 50 multiplied by 2, that is a 100, and 100 is present here. So this same rule we have to apply here. 1 plus 21, that is a 22, and then 10 plus 18, that is 28, 28 and 22, that is a 50, 50 multiplied by 2 means that is a 100. So 100 can be replaced to the question mark, and 100 present in option number 3. So question number 22, the smaller numbers here, so 9, 1, 6 and 4, and 3 also here. So 1 multiplied by 4, that is a 4, and after this one minus 1, we are getting the 3, and 3 is present opposite of this 1. So here means multiplication of the 4 and minus 1. So that is the main criteria. So likewise here 4, so 4 multiplied by 4, we are getting the 16, and then 16 minus 1, that is a 15, and 15 is present opposite of this 4. So 6 multiplied by this 4, that is a 24, minus 1, we are getting 23, and 23 is present in opposite of this 6. So likewise 9 multiplied by 4, so that is a 36, and 36 minus 1, that is a 35. So 9's opposite means there is a question mark, and question mark can be replaced with the number 35, and 35 is present in option number 2. Now question number 23. This 9 and the last number 6 digits. So if we are making the product of this one, we are getting this 54. Likewise this 13 and this 6, if we make the product of this one, we are getting 73. Means in a cross one, the product number is present. Likewise 11 multiplied by this 4, we are getting the 44. Then 17 multiplied by this 3, we are getting 51. So here 8 multiplied by 7, we are getting 56. So same 15 multiplied by 4, we are getting the number 60. which can be replaced to the question mark. So 60 is available in option number 2. So question number 24. So these two numbers at the bottom side means 7 and 8. So their product is a 56, and for the product, if we make the multiplication with the 2 or the twice of this one, we are getting 112, which is present at the top side of this one. So 5 multiplied by 9, that is a 45. 45 multiplied by 2, that is a 19. 90 present at the top one. So same 6 multiplied by 11, that is a 66, and 66 multiplied by 2, that is a 132. So 132 can be replaced to the question mark, and 132 is present in option number 2. So question number 25, choose the correct option to replace the question mark. So there is a triangle and all the vertices having some numbers. If you make the additions of this one, means 2 plus 3 is a 5, 5 plus this 4 is a 9. So 9 square is a 81, and 81 is present inside the triangle. So same 1 plus this 5 is a 6, 6 plus this 7, that is a 13. 13 square is a 169. This is present inside the triangle. So same rule we have to apply here. 4 plus this 6, 10, 10 plus this 5, that is a 15, and 15 square is a 225. So this 225 can be replaced to the question mark, and this is given in option number 1. So question number 26, inside the triangle there are the three numbers toward the bottom side, means this 10 plus 6 plus this 4. If you make the additions of this one, we are getting the top number, means 10 plus this 6 plus 4, that is a 20, and 20 is present at the top one. So same here, 7 plus this 9, that is a 16, 16 plus 12, that is a 28. So same rule we have to apply here. 5 plus 20 is a 25 plus 25, so that is a 50, and 50 can be replaced to the this question mark, and 50 is present in option number 2. So question number 27. So at the bottom sides, or we can say the invert of the triangle, so there are the two numbers, and if we make the product of this one, means 9 multiplied by 8, we are getting the upper side of the triangles which having that number, means 9 multiplied by 8, that is 72. Same is here, 4 multiplied by 7, that is a 28. So same 18 can we have to get. So 18 can be get with a multiplication of the 6, so that number is a 3. So 3 multiplied by 6, that is a 18. So 3 can be replaced to the question mark, and 3 is available in option number 3. So question number 28, if you observe keenly, so opposite numbers having the difference of the 4, means suppose here 11 and here the 7. So 11 minus 4, we are getting this 7, or we can say the difference is there 4. So likewise 4, 10 and the 14. So 14 minus 4, we are getting the 10. So like here 9 minus 4, we are getting the 5. So same here the 12. So we have to get it the 12 by the difference of this 4, means 12 plus 12 minus 4, so we are getting the number 8, and this number 8 is available in option number 4. So question number 29, if you make the product of these two numbers, means 10 multiplied by 5, that is a 50, and after the 50 we have to divide by 2 that one, so we are getting 25, and this 25 is present at the side of this square. So same here, 18 multiplied by 3, so that is a 54, and if you divide by 2 to the 54, we are getting 27. So 27 is present at the side of the square. So same rule we have to apply to here also to find out the number replacing to the question mark. So 15 multiplied by 2, that is a 30, and divided by 2 means that is a 15. So this 15 is present in option number 2. Now question number 30, if you make the cube of this one, means 5 and the 3, and find out the difference. So 5's cube is a 125, and 3's cube is a 27. So there is a difference in between this, that is a 98, and 98 is present at the upper side of this triangle. Same like a same 6 having the triangle cube number is a 216, minus 2's cube is a 8. So 216 minus 8, that is a 208. So that is a present at the upper side of this circle. So same 10 cube is a 1000, so minus 4 cube is a 64. So here 930 36, and this is given in option number 1. Question number 31. If you find the difference in between these two numbers, means 8 minus 5, that is a 3, and 3 square is a 9, which is present here. So likewise 7 minus 2, we are getting 5, and 5 square is a 25. So here to 25. So same, 9 minus 7, that is a 2, and 2 square is a 4, and 4 is can be replaced to the question mark. So 4 is available in option number 1. Now question number 32. So this 1, so 1 multiplied by 2, we are getting the 2, and then additions of the 1, we are getting 3. So which is present opposite of this 1. So criteria is multiplication of the 2, and then after this one, additions of this 1. So same here, 7, to find out this 7, so opposite number is the 3. So 3 multiplied by 2, that is a 6, and after this one, additions of this 1, so 7 is there, and which is present here. So same apply rule we have to apply to find out the number to replace the question mark. So 6 is the opposite of this question mark. So 6 multiplied by 2, that is a 12, and then additions of the 1 means that is a 13. So 13 can be replaced to the question mark, and 13 is available in option number 2. Question number 33. So at the bottom side there are the three numbers 2, 2 and 4, and at the top one there is another number. So if you make the square of this number and this number, and after this one 4, 2 square is the 4, plus this 4 square is a 16. So after this one, this number means that at the bottom side, that is a 2. If you make the additions, so 4 plus this 16, that is a 20, and plus 1 plus 2, that is a 22, and this number is present at the top of this figure. So same rule we have to apply here. So 1 square and the 3 square we have to find out. So 1 square is a 1, plus 3 square is a 9, and then additions of this bottom number, which is a 4. So 1 plus 9, 10, 10 plus this 4 means 14, and 14 is present at the top number, top of this figure. So same, 5 square and the 2 square means 25, plus this 4 plus this middle number means the 7. So after this one, 25 plus 4, that is a 29, plus this 7, that is a 36. So 36 can be replaced to the question mark. So 36 is available in option number 4. So question number 34. So this number at the in vertically, so 9, and at the bottom this is a 5. So 9 and this 5, if you make the addition, so 9 plus 5, we are getting the 14, and if we multiply by 3 to this 14, we are getting the 42, and this is present in between these two numbers 9 and 5. So same, we will check for this one. So 4 plus this 6, that is a 10, and 10 multiplied by 3, that is a 30, and this 30 is present in between these two numbers 4 and the 6. So same rule we have to apply here. So for to find out this 24, we have to divide this 24 by 3, because every time we are multiplying 3. Now we are going reversely. So 24 divided by 3, that is a 8, and this 8 we have to get by the additions of this 4 and this, sorry, by this 3 and this question mark. So 8 is equals to 3 plus this question mark. So means question mark is equals to 5, and this 5 is given in option number 1. Now question number 35. So 3 after this one, 16 and then 12. So if you find out this 16's square root, so that is a 4. So 3 multiplied by this 4, we are getting the 12, and which is present at the bottom. So 9's cube root, so sorry, square root, that is a 3. So 3 multiplied by 7, so 7 multiplied by 3, that is a 21, and which is present at the bottom. So same, 36 square root is a 6 multiplied by with this 5, so that is a 30, and 30 is given in option number 3. Now question number 36. We have to make the first rows square and the second's cube, and then additions of this one, so we can get the final this end number. So means 4 square is the 16, and then additions of this 3's cube is a 27. So after this one, we are getting the 43, and 43 is present here. So here also 2 square is a 4, plus 5's cube is a 125. So after this addition, 129, which is present here. So same, 6 square is a 36 plus 1 cube is a 1, so that is a 37, and 37 can be replaced to the question mark, and 37 is given in option number 4. Question number 37, the first and the end numbers, where to make the find out the difference in between this one. So 5 minus 2, that is a 3, then 3 square minus 1 we have to do, means 9 minus 1 we are getting the 8, and this 8 is present middle of this one. So same, 9 and 7 having the difference 2, so 2 square minus 1 we have to do, so 2 square is a 4 and minus 1 we are getting the 3, and 3 is present in at the middle of these two numbers. So same, 3 and 4, the difference is the 1, so 1 square and then minus 1, so that is a 0, and 0 is can be replaced to the question mark, and 0 is present in option number 2. So question number 38, so opposite numbers, to find out this one we have to do like 6, so 6 multiply by with that's self number, means the 6 here, and then divided that number to the 2, means half of this one, so we are getting 6 multiply by this, that is a 3, so we are getting the 18, and this 18 is opposite, present in opposite of this 6 one. So likewise from the 8, so 8 multiply by, in a bracket, 8 divided by 2, means self number here, so now 8 multiply by this half of this number, means that is a 4, so 8 multiplied by 4, that is a 32, and this 32 is placing opposite of this number 8. So same here, 10s also, so 10 multiplied by half of the 10 is a 5, so 10 multiplied by 5, that is a 50, 50 is present opposite of this 10. So for this one we have to get the 72 from which number, that we have to find out. So for this one, so we have to check for any numbers, means suppose 18, so 18 multiply by half of the 18 means 9, so 18 nines are 72, cannot possible, so this 18 also cannot be, then we have to check with the 12, so 12 multiply by 12's half, means that is a 6, so 12 6 are, that is a 72, so means we can replace this question mark with the number 12, and which is available in option number 2. Now question number 39, so to find out the opposite numbers, so 1's cube is a 1, which is present opposite to this one. Now 3's cube is a 27, which is present in the opposite of this 3. Then 4's cube number is a 64, which is present opposite of this 4. Likewise 729 is a cube of the 9, so 9's cube is a 729, so 9 can be replaced to the question mark, so 9 is available in option number 4. Now question number 40, so there is a square, inside that one there are the 4 numbers. If we make the additions of all these one, so 18 plus this 34, 52, and 21 plus this 27, that is the 48, 52 and 48, the additions is the 100. So same here also, 71 and then 3, that is a 74, and then 74 plus 16, that is a 19, 90 plus 10 is a 100. So likewise here we have to add all these numbers, so for this one 37, 23 and 24, so if we make the additions of this one we are getting the 84, but we require the 100, so 100 minus 84 we are getting the 16 is the number which can be replaced to the question mark, and 16 is available in option number 3. Thank you.